Hi everyone, my name's Mark, and today I'm going to show you how to mount a Dune flag to your Jeep Gladiator. So if you're going to the dunes for the first time, you're probably thinking, hey, how am I supposed to mount a flag to the front of this vehicle when it has a plastic bumper and only a couple mounting points? Well, that's where this comes in. This is a purchased flag mount that you can get at Dune Land, which is right next to Silver Lake Sand Dunes. It is basically just a muffler clamp on a flat piece of steel that was twisted with a hole drilled in it. Now, there are custom ways you can do this yourself. You can get some angle brackets and mount onto your tow hook. This is about $12 to $15 at Dune Land. And I think it's one of the simplest and easiest ways to mount to the front of your vehicle. And I'll show you what that looks like right now. All right, so you just kind of got to put this muffler clamp over the tow hook and then sandwich it in together using these two nuts. Now I just kind of loosely put this on here. There's also a lot of guys tend to move these out this way on like a perpendicular with the truck. But if you put it in line with the vehicle and you mount your flag out front, it'll actually give you plenty of clearance for making sure that your flag doesn't hit your paint when you're driving around. I'll throw the flag on here too to kind of show you how it all wraps up together. If you're worried about scraping or marring up your tow hook or the plastic around it, maybe just put some double-sided foam tape on there to kind of sandwich that and protect that paint a little bit. But this is how that mount looks on there, nice and bolted up. And this is what it looks like with the flag mounted. If you notice, with that mount pointing forward, you have plenty of clearance here from the front of your vehicle with the flag, so that way you don't have it hitting your paint when you're driving around. You won't need to add on the pool noodle or anything like that. This mount can be purchased online, like I said. I'll put that in the description below. Even if you're not going to Silver Lake Sand Dunes, if you need to have a flag mounted to the front of your vehicle for any kind of off-road park, you can always order it online and have it shipped to you. Or just a nice up-close view of that so you know what to do when you need to make one, if you're planning to make one. And yeah, like I said, it's not completely bolted up high and tight, so it's going to have a little bit of a lean to it. But yeah, gets you out there, gets you having fun. When I was looking and researching before my trip, I really couldn't find anything on YouTube. So hopefully this gives you guys a little bit of a idea of what you're looking for and get you ready to go. So if this video helped you, give me a like. Thanks.